Hello my friends, welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and the 349th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen, hope all you're doing well. I'm very excited to share with y'all this recipe. It's one of my favorite soul food dishes of all time and loved it since my childhood. We're gonna make smothered oxtails. And my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's gonna be so delicious, simple and easy to make. Cook low and slow in the oven and smother it in a delicious brown gravy. How tasty does that sound? Great to serve for Sunday soul food or any night of the week. Everybody's gonna fall in love with this recipe. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Southern Recipes playlist for more recipes and my previous video, Orange Gooey Butter Cake. I'll also post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your oxtails, your onions, your garlic, and your water sugar, because we're about to bake some smothered oxtails magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, I have 2 to 3 pounds of oxtails that I washed and I put them on some wax paper. And over here I have my seasoning, salt, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. And we're going to season them on both sides. Like so. These are some beautiful oxtails. Alright my friends, I'm through seasoning up my oxtail. And over here in this plate I have 1 cup of flour. And I'm going to season them on both sides. Just like that. And then I'm going to put them on the plate. Okay. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish coating my oxtails and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through coating my oxtails. Now we're ready to fry them. Over here in my pot, I got the fire over medium heat. I added in 5 tablespoons of canola oil and brought it to temperature. So now we're going to put our oxtails right into the oil. Like so. Hear that sizzle? Yeah, that's what you want. Alright my friends, I'm through frying my oxtails. They're nice and golden brown. So now we're going to add in 1 onion chopped and 2 cloves of garlic that I chopped. And 1 full glass of water. I'm going to give that a quick stir. And we're going to add in the rest of the seasoning. The onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Give that another quick stir. So now I cut the fire up to high. And all we do is bring the oxtails to a boil. Alright my friends, so now we're going to cover the pot. And we're going to cut the fire off. And we're going to put them in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350 degree oven. And we're going to let them bake for about 2.5 hours. And I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I have taken my oxtails out of the oven. Let's take a look. Those look mighty tasty. And smells amazing up in this kitchen. Look at them just smothered in that gravy. I love me some oxtails. And also, this is the part right here where you can add potatoes or carrots and let them cook until they fork tender, about 20 or 30 minutes. And there you have it, my friends. Soul Food Smothered Oxtails. Alright, I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I have fixed me up a plate and I'm serving it with some rice and gravy, of course, some cabbage, and my homemade sweet cornbread. And I'll post a link to my cornbread recipe down below in the description box. I'm about to enjoy this amazing soul food dinner. Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Oh yeah, nice and tender. Some rice and gravy. Mmm. It's like butter is melting in your mouth. Perfectly cooked. I love that gravy. These are amazing. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum, yum. Oxtail-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.